Nakakalito ba talaga si x sa pag-combine kapag may sign? Combining like terms, tala pag-usapan natin. Ang given number 1, x plus x. Okay, take note, meron po yung understood na invisible na may 1, okay? You add that, then copy the common variable, that is x. 1 plus 1 is 2, copy the common variable, is x, okay? Next, number 2, negative x and negative x. So pag decimang sign ay mag-a-add tayo numerical coefficient na meron siyang invisible na 1, understood po yun. Then you add that, then copy the common variable, that is x. So that is 2x, then the common sign, dahil parehas silang may negative, kopyahin lang natin, that is negative 2x. Number 3, given negative x plus quantity negative x. Ang gawin natin, itong positive, i-multiply lang dito sa quantity na negative x. So pag magkaiba yung sign, ito ay magiging negative ang result. Ganito po, kopyahin natin ang negative x, then itong positive at saka negative, pinag-multiply natin, that is negative, then yung variable na x, then i-combine natin, magkaparehas ang sign, ito ay mag-add tayo. So that is negative x and negative x, that is negative 2x. Kinopya natin ang common sign na negative. Try number 4 up to 10. Comment your answer.